The DJI FPV-2 has officially landed, and for drone enthusiasts, it's an exciting leap forward. This isn't just a tool for flying, it's an experience. Whether you're just entering the drone world or you've logged countless hours in the sky, the FPV-2 delivers a thrilling mix of speed, smooth handling, and an upgraded visual experience that feels like you're truly inside the cockpit. With improved flight performance, clearer visuals, and easier controls, this drone is built for both heart-pounding adventures and cinematic captures. It's perfect for racing through tight corners or soaring high for breathtaking views. Today on Factic, we're diving deep into everything that makes the DJI FPV-2 a standout in the FPV world, from its flight dynamics and camera upgrades to the new goggles and intuitive controls. The DJI FPV-2 is not just another drone. It's an adrenaline-packed flying experience with refined engineering and thoughtful upgrades. It's built for people who crave speed, freedom, and cinematic quality, all in one compact flying machine. With a top speed that reaches up to 90 miles per hour in manual mode, this drone is in a class of its own when it comes to performance. Let's talk flight modes. You get three: normal, sport, and manual. Normal mode gives beginners a smooth, responsive, and safe experience with assisted stability. It's great for those just learning the ropes. Sport mode adds a bit more punch, blending speed and control for more dynamic flights. And then there's manual mode, the playground for experienced pilots, offering complete control for flips, rolls, dives, and ultra-precise maneuvers. The FPV-2's new motor and propeller system delivers an impressive boost in stability and responsiveness. Tight corners, sharp dives, or high-speed maneuvers feel smoother and more accurate than ever. Whether you're racing through a forest trail or diving down a mountain ridge, this drone maintains a locked-in feeling that makes piloting a joy. Camera performance has taken a giant leap forward as well. The new 1/1.3-inch sensor supports 4K resolution at a blistering 120 frames per second. That means your footage is not just crisp and colorful, but also incredibly fluid, even during high-speed chases. HDR capabilities enhance dynamic range, ensuring both bright skies and shadowy areas come out balanced and rich in detail. With an f/2.0 aperture, low-light shots look clean and cinematic, perfect for those golden hour sessions or early morning flights. DJI's rocksteady 3.0 image stabilization is a standout feature here. It keeps your footage smooth and stable, even when the drone is performing aggressive movements. Say goodbye to shaky video and hello to buttery smooth cinematic clips. Design-wise, the FPV-2 is smarter and tougher. Its aerodynamic body reduces drag for more efficient flight and better battery use. Built from stronger materials, the drone is more resilient to crashes and bumps. Integrated LED lights make it easier to track in dim conditions, and improved propeller guards help you stay safe in tighter environments. The new DJI Goggles 3 offer a visual upgrade that truly transforms the flying experience. With enhanced brightness, clarity, and wider field of view, it feels like you're right inside the cockpit. The lower latency means every head movement is instantly reflected on screen, making flights more intuitive and immersive. For controls, you have two standout options. The DJI Motion Controller 2 allows you to fly using simple hand gestures, a natural, fun way to control the drone with precision. If you prefer a more classic approach, the DJI FPV Controller 3 gives you full manual control with joystick accuracy. Whether you're a casual flyer or a hardcore FPV racer, both controllers give you the power to pilot your way. Battery life is another major plus. With up to 25 minutes of flight time, you get more air time with less interruption. Better heat management keeps the drone cool even during extended sessions, so you can focus on flying instead of cooling down. Safety features have also been upgraded. The improved obstacle sensing system helps you avoid crashes and makes close quarters flying much less stressful. Return-to-home functionality gives you peace of mind. If your signal drops or the battery runs low, the drone will automatically navigate back to you. All in all, the DJI FPV-2 is a thrilling evolution of DJI's FPV series. It combines raw performance with refined usability, giving pilots of all levels a tool that's as fun as it is functional. So, is the DJI FPV-2 the drone for you? If you're looking for an exhilarating flying experience that doesn't sacrifice video quality or safety, this could very well be your dream machine. DJI has managed to pack serious tech and thoughtful design into a drone that's powerful, fast, and surprisingly user-friendly. It bridges the gap between beginner-friendly flight and professional-grade performance, offering a platform that can grow with your skills. From the ultra-clear FPV Goggles 3 to the rock-solid stabilization system, from its improved crash-resistant body to its cinematic 4K camera, every feature of the FPV-2 is engineered to deliver a better, more immersive experience. You'll feel more in control, more connected, and more creative each time you take off. At Factic, we're all about finding gear that fuels your passion, and the DJI FPV-2 does exactly that. Whether you're diving into your first FPV flight or you're already pulling off aerial tricks, this drone will keep you coming back for more. Don't just fly, feel the sky. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Factic for more hands-on drone and tech coverage. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest drops. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next flight.